Welcome to all farmers. Welcome to Mahaganpati Krushi YouTube channel. Today's topic is cow manure. What is cow manure and what are the benefits of cow manure and how we have to use the cow manure. So cow manure will promote the healthy plant growth. It has the nutrients that will help in the growth of the plant. It will help in the soil aeration, water holding capacity, and it will boost the microorganism in the soil. So it will help in the root development of the crop. So how we have to use? Before preparation of the field, you have to use the cow manure. And what are the benefits of the cow manure? So by using cow manure, the soil health will develop. Once the soil health develops, then the crop growth will be more. And the soil structure also develops. By using cow manure, the nutrient status of the soil increases. So it has the nitrogen, phosphorus and potash. Like this, it has the nutrients. So that will help in the growth of the plant. The water holding capacity of the soil increases. So this will help to the growth of the crop. And by using the manure, the root development will be more. So increasing the roots and the development of the roots, the cow manure is very important. And most importantly, the microorganisms present in the soil will increases. These microorganisms will help in the growth of the crop. So once the microorganism develops, then the soil health also develops. Manure adds the organic matter to the soil. This will help to development of the soil health. And the organic carbon in the soil will increase. So like this, cow manure help in these ways. Cow manure has the anti-fungal property and it has the insect repellent property. So antifungal property will help in the disease management and insect repellent property will help in the insect pest management. So like this, the role of the cow manure is there. So root development is very important. So by using cow manure, the roots develops well and the health of the soil also develop. Once the soil health develops, then the growth of the crop will be more. So like this, if you use the cow manure, then the cost of cultivation reduces along with increase in the soil health. Use of the cow manure is a beneficial for the agriculture. So I request all farmers to use the cow manure before starting the any agriculture crop cultivation. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.